How to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First thing first, you have to launch your Instagram app, get logged into your account, and also make sure that you know the credentials, or you might also have been an admin of the Facebook page which you are trying to connect. Once done, tap onto your profile, tap on Edit Profile. Scroll below, make sure that your Instagram account is a professional or creator's account in order for you to see this Page button. Tap on Page. Likewise, tap Continue. At the section, tap on Login to Facebook. Tap Continue. Now in my case, I don't have any existing page for me to connect, but in your case, it might be different. You may go ahead, select the page you would like to connect, tap on Connect right here. Now, if you also don't have a page, you may go ahead and tap on Create a new Facebook page. But if you have a page, it will be listed right here. Tap on Connect, and that way your Facebook page will be displayed onto your Instagram profile. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.